talk about home-based or online jobs type of work. Hindi to clickbait guys, sasabihin ko talaga what the companies are and kung ano yung mga websites nila, so stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and yung bell button. And if you want more adulting videos like this, click a like para malaman ko if nagustuhan niyo yung video. And if you have any questions, please comment below and I'll try my best to answer all of them. Yung mga suggested type of work dito, pwede sa mga fresh grads, undergrads, or may experience na sa work. Pwede rin sa mga hindi pa makapag-commit full-time, so gusto mo na mag-part-time or mag-try out lang ng online jobs. Job number 1. Based from my experience, if nagmamadali ka makahanap ng work, either full-time, part-time, or you just want to try out working from home, I suggest online English teaching. Bakit? Kasi almost every day, nagko-conduct sila ng interviews and most of the time, hindi sila nagsastop hiring. In fact, most of the companies encourage their teachers to refer other possible applicants. And bonus pa, from the referral incentive, kikita ka na din. Naalala ko nung nag-work ako sa 5 on Top before, yung teacher na nakakuha ng highest referral incentive for that year, umabot siya ng 150,000 sa referral incentive pa lang. Umabot siya ng 150,000 kasi sobrang dami niyang na-refer na naging teachers talaga. So, ito yung tinatawag na ESL teacher or teaching English as a second language. If gusto mo to try out lang or mag-part-time lang, I suggest ESL teaching kasi usually hawak mo oras mo. If nag-work ka ng 8 to 5 full-time, pwede kang mag-part-time sa online English teaching ng 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. or 12. Meron pa rin mga classes that time. And actually, yung time na yun yung peak hours nila kasi yung English teaching usually pag uwi ng mga kids, saka sila nag-online. Sa weekends naman, pwede kang mag-whole day if you want. Bahala ka rin mag-open ng time slot mo. So, if you want to work 30 minutes or 1 hour lang, pwede. Kasi usually, one class takes about 25 minutes and you have 5 minutes to grade and give feedback sa student. And usually, yung feedback and yung grade, minsan hindi ka naman naabot ng 5 minutes. So, sometimes you still have 2 minutes or 1 minute para sa water break mo man lang. Although may quota sila for 2 weeks or 15 days na kailangan mo maabot, kayang-kaya pa rin, achievable even if you're just going to work part-time. Ang companies na masasuggest ko are 5-1 Talk and Akadsok. Pero disclaimer muna guys, 5-1 Talk pa lang ang natatry ko. And while working sa 5-1 Talk, meron akong mga na-meet na teachers na nag-work na rin sa Akadsok. Kaya naman masasuggest ko yung companies na to kasi pareho silang stable na. And dahil stable na, mabilis makakuha ng student dahil maraming bookings. And dahil maraming bookings, mas marami kang trabaho, mas marami kang sweldo. And ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, hindi na-late ang sahod. Job number 2, freelance work. Ano nga ba yung mga freelance work? Usually, project type-based type of work ito. Ito yung mga photo and video editing, graphic designing, web design, web development, and etc. If may na-offer ka na service na pwede online, like marunong ka gumawa ng website or marunong ka mag-compose ng blog kasi nakapag-try ka na maging vlogger before, then you can make your profile sa Upwork or sa peopleperhour.com. Kasi dito, makikita ng mga employer yung skills mo and at the same time, pwede ikaw mismo ang makakita sa mga possible employers. Meron akong coworker before, may account siya sa peopleperhour.com and gusto niya doon kasi every after each project, nagbibigay yung employer ng review sa'yo mismo. So, the more reviews you have, more projects to come in the future. Job number 3, transcription type of jobs. Ito naman, you just need a good headset or speaker para marinig mo yung conversation and a laptop or computer para ma-type mo yung conversation. For example, it's a call center call na kailangan mo matranscribe or matype yung conversation nila. Dito naman, you should be knowledgeable sa correct grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Ang masasuggest ko and na-try ko na before is yung QA world, pero hindi ako nagtagal doon kasi it's not the type of job for me talaga. Job number 4. If you're looking for part-time or full-time naman, actually pwede rin dito yung mga freelancers. You can set up your account on onlinejobs.ph. Most of the time, ang employers dito are overseas, kaya mapapansin mo yung expected salary mo kino-convert nila into US dollars. Dito ako nakahanap ng full-time job ko ngayon. I've been with my US-based employer for 1 year already. Ang daming job posts dito, and what's best about it is all the jobs are categorized, so hindi ka mahihirapan hanapin what's best for you. Meron ditong, tingnan ko, office and admin or virtual assistant, English, writing, marketing and sales, advertising, web development, webmaster, graphics and multimedia, software development or programming, finance and management, customer service and admin support, professional services, and project management. So, under those categories na binanggit ko, meron ding subcategories. So, for example, sa marketing and sales, meron yung social media marketing, or meron din yung Facebook marketing lang, or yung Instagram marketing lang. Meron ding YouTube marketing. Sa finance and management naman, merong accounting. So, that's why hindi ka na rin mahihirapan talaga hanapin kung ano yung job for you. Dito sa onlinejobs.ph, pwede ka maghanap ng job by applying sa mga job posts, and at the same time, dapat gandahan mo yung profile mo kasi yung ibang employers, minsan hindi sila nagpo-post ng job post nila. Sila mismo yung nagre-reach out dun sa mga applicants kapag nakita nila yung profile and nagustuhan nila. So, they might message you if you're interested dun sa in-offer nila na job. Marami din nagtatanong sa akin, kailangan ba magaling mag-English? Kailangan ba mabilis internet? Malaki ba yung sweldo ko? Pero I think masyado na mahaba itong video na to for that. So, next video na lang guys. Kaya don't forget to subscribe and like this video para malaman ko kung gusto nyo makita yung ibang videos about online jobs. Also, I will get into more details about it kapag ni-request nyo. So, please comment down below. I hope this video will help you find your dream job. Thank you for watching. Bye!